So, never ever say you're never going to do a video of something. I said I was going to make another IDF video. Here we are again. Here we are again. Okay, what is this? This is that little thing, remember? Somebody, pretty sure it was somebody at work. Pretty good idea who might have been, but I'm not going to go there. They bent this, and I had to take it out and pound it to straighten it out. It's actually rebending. It's like it lost its strength right here. It's like, see that edge right there? Like right there, it's losing its strength. So this thing is bending on the opposite direction that it was originally bent. Therefore, you know, it wasn't me that bent it. It's bending down because that's the force that it takes to open the throttle, you know. So it goes down, right? Okay. So it's bending down, and I'm not... The carburetors are going out of sync because of this. So I went ahead and removed it, and to my surprise, when I removed this, you know, I'm there. I just wanted to see what condition these bearings were in, right? I figured, okay, I'll check the bearings, see how they look. And I guess I must have had like a brain fart, and I thought I replaced the bearings. I guess I didn't. I found this in there. These crappy ones. I'm like, damn it! I thought I did that. Let me show you what I mean. So there you go. The bearing. It's still the classic piece of crap thing that I totally forgot I had. So the way I take these off, the only way you're going to be able to take them off sometimes is adding, using a neodymium magnet. Like, you pull one like that. Where's the other one? Where is the other one? Okay, there it is. Oh my god. See how it just flew out of my hand? Well, actually, I might be able to do it that way. There you go. Oh my god. There you go. The magnet. These things are very powerful. So if you can't take it out with this, you're gonna have to disassemble your throttles, the throttle itself, the throttle plate. You got to take it off. You got to disconnect your pump, that center thing in the middle. It has a little springy thing on the rod. You have to disconnect that. And both sides, remove your thing, and then you're just going to have to pound it out. It's the only way you're going to be able to do it. And then make sure you know how the rod came out, because the rod is oriented, okay? Same thing with the throttle plates. They're oriented. So mark everything with a Sharpie. Take pictures. And that's really it. Like, so I'm going to go ahead and replace this. Put a real bearing in there. Okay, so got my new bearing. Just slide it on. Oh, this is much tighter. Oh, it is. Oh my god. It doesn't move up and down anymore. Okay. This one definitely had some play in it, because when I was removing, I was trying to remove these nuts from here. I noticed that this plate would do this. I go, wait a minute, I could have sworn I replaced it, but I guess I didn't. I must have. It's a brain fart. I thought I replaced them. That means that the other side's going to be the same thing. You know what? Next time I take the motor out, I'll get the other side. Yeah, I'm like that, okay? I'm like that. Oh my god. You know what? This one's not spinning anymore. Okay. It doesn't... It will not spin. This thing is locked up. I told you these guys were garbage. These are garbage. Oh my god. I can't make it spin. I can't make it spin. That means, check it out. Check out the race on the outer part. That means that this thing was spinning inside the aluminum. Inside the aluminum. Okay, whatever. These are garbage. Change them out. I already gave you the link for those on those other videos. Anyways, I'm going to replace that one side. I'm almost tempted to take it off and actually do the other side also. Fuck. I mean, I'm going to replace it. Because if I can't turn this one at all, the other side is going to be the same. Shit. Okay, I'm going to take off the carburetor. I can't leave it like that. Okay, so I went ahead and cut another one of these. Oh, yeah, I already replaced the other bearing. Okay, same procedure, it's just the opposite side. So I went ahead and made one of these, just like this one. Yeah. See how close I came? And just look at that. Pretty damn good. So what I'm going to do is I just want the angle right here, because I got to cut into it. So basically, and I just want the angle. Okay, this is not showing out very well. I need the angle. The angle right there is like that, in that direction, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut with the steel cutting wheel. That's what I'm going to call it. The steel cutting wheel. Cut it into right there. Stop right there. Cut into, stop right there, and break this off, or just grind it off. You know, going like this, it'll grind right off. So that I have that match this. You know, that keyway. Match that. You say, what about over here? Well, I don't think it needs it, because I'm going to double this up, actually. Double it up, because obviously one was not enough from bending. So this one's a little bit thicker, and this is high-grade steel. This is not wimpy steel like this. But this one is keyed. It's got that key. So it's going to keep this exactly at the angle that it needs to be. That's why I want to reuse this. Now, when they're like that and already inside the carburetor, I'm going to go ahead and tack weld them, like tack weld, you know, tack weld, just so they don't fall apart anymore. That's the idea. Decided just before I started cutting to use some tape as a guide, just so I don't screw up. Okay, so there you go. Doubled up. Nothing better than two, right? Now I can tell that there's no way in the hell I can bend this. It's not. I still have to tack weld it. Then I'll put the lock back on, because I gotta remove it again so I can weld it. See? But I just wanted to make sure that I tighten this thing up so that these things wouldn't move, and that way I can tack weld them really quick. That's what I'm gonna do right now. That's one. I just need another one on the side right here. Like so. And one more on the side right here. And that should be it. Perfect. Okay, so, yep, those are perfect. Point fit. Oh. She's hot. I'm gonna get some water. She's done. And there we go. So this time we are gonna put the lock washer. I'm going to put the nut back on. Okay, let me see. Where's my 11? And oh, I'm stepping on it. That's why I couldn't find it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need both hands for that. All right, so got that. I'm just gonna fold this thing if I can. Of course I can't. There we go. There. The lock is on. All right. See how this feels. Oh yeah. Okay. 1,000 times better. So I'm just gonna add this connection to here, and that's it. I'm done. All right. I'm not gonna show you that because that's too simple. All right. She's running. I had to readjust everything right here because when you remove that part right there, everything just goes to shit. You have to do it all over again. So what I do is I just barely touch this and make sure this barely starts to open, and that one barely starts to open, giving me RPMs. Perfect. RPM is perfect. All right, this is for real. Adios muchachos, adios muchachas.